Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela and today I'm back with an eyebrow tutorial. So you're going to need a spoolie brush and you're just going to brush your eyebrows in an upwards motion. Just make sure that your eyebrows don't have any product and that they're clean. And then I'm just going to go in with my sharp eyebrow pencil. Please make sure that your eyebrow pencil is sharp and you don't use a blunt pencil because you're going to end up with blunt results. So I go in with my sharp eyebrow pencil and I first start by drawing a line underneath my eyebrows, like at the bottom of my eyebrows, and then I do the same at the top. And then when I'm done, I'd like to do my eyebrows at the same time, so I do the same on the other eye as well. And then after that, I'm going to start filling my eyebrows in lightly, very light strokes, because I still do want my eyebrow hairs to show. I lightly stroke them like in the front, and I do the same on the other eye. I lightly stroke them in the front just so that they don't look like boxes. So as you can see that I'm just going in very lightly. You don't want to be too heavy-handed. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my spoolie brush again, just to brush my eyebrow hairs up and to brush them neatly again. And then I'm just gonna brush them out very lightly in the front, just so that they look a little more natural, and that they don't look like two square boxes. So yeah. And then just make sure that you use both your concealer and your foundation. The lighter concealer, I like to conceal my eyebrows at the bottom just to clean them up nicely, very carefully, very slowly, because one mistake then you're just gonna ruin the whole thing. And I just use a flat brush for this. You can also use an angled brush. Okay, so when I'm done cleaning up my brows with the lighter concealer, on the top of my brows I like to use foundation. That way we don't have brows that look like they have a halo. So you want to use your foundation just to conceal the top of your brows. And then when you're done doing your brows, you can also use like a brow gel, but I did not film that part, but I did use a brow gel. I would advise that you also use a brow gel, and that is about it, guys. That is how I do my eyebrows. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Bye.